We had a bit of a rainy start to today.
Meteorologist Carson Meredith joins us now. And Carson, I understand it's just going to get nice and hot and very July-like.
Nice and hot,
yeah,
more like
nice
humid.
And hot. I'm not sure if those words go together in one sentence. Yeah, trying to be positive, exactly. That's all you can do this time of year. It's the same story over and over again. It's going to be hot, going to be humid, and we still have that chance to see a couple of thunderstorms this afternoon, but thankfully that coverage will not be as widespread as what we've seen for the last 4 or 5 days. Looking at the Wave 31 Skycam network this morning, we are finally drying things out just a little bit. Temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s with that mix of sun and clouds. 80 in Huntsville, 79 in Decatur, 81 out on the water at Lake Guntersville, and 82 degrees right now in the Shoals. A clean sweep finally across the Wave 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network. But again, later on this afternoon, there's still plenty of moisture in place to see at least a couple of showers and thunderstorms during that peak daytime heating later on today. Breaking down those temperatures, technically, they're slightly below normal for mid-July standards. Forecast high 88 degrees today. Our average high is around 91, 92 degrees. But with that humidity, it's that air you can wear humidity that I like to call it. With those heat index values, they'll be in the mid-90s later on this afternoon, with more sunshine too, of course. And notice we'll be dropping to right around 80 degrees by 8 o'clock this evening. So if you're going to be outside today, if you're going to be by the pool, cooking out later when you get home, just keep that sunscreen nearby. We haven't had a lot of sunshine the last few days, but that UV index is in the very high category, so you can get a sunburn as little as 10 to 15 minutes later on today. So future radar is doing a nice job pinpointing that coverage of those showers and storms later on. Again, not quite as widespread as what we've seen the last few days. Notice the bulk of the activity starts to develop around 1 o'clock this afternoon, really right over Huntsville, according to this data source. I think the best area to see those thunderstorms today will be over northeast Alabama, but notice by 4 o'clock, well, we're starting to dry things out just a little bit. Clear skies overnight tonight, no issues whatsoever, not expecting any development overnight tonight. Quiet start to your Thursday, and notice that coverage again, not very widespread tomorrow afternoon, but because it's so humid, we can't completely rule out a stray shower storm tomorrow afternoon. And any storms that do develop on Thursday, once again, will dry out once we get past sunset tomorrow night. Our next big weather maker, if you will, that's not too far away. It arrives Friday. That's all thanks to a cold front that's going to be coming very close to North Alabama, but will park itself somewhere nearby. And because it stalls out nearby, that's going to keep those daily chances every single day for those showers and thunderstorms starting Friday, going through Saturday, lasting through Sunday as well. And our ground is so saturated. We have had so much rain over the last few days. It's not going to take much more rain to cause flooding concerns. We had that flash flood warning last night in parts of DeKalb County. And as you look at the rainfall forecast, on top of all the rain that we've seen in the last week or so, many spots will see an additional 1.5 to maybe 2.5 inches of rain over the next 7 days. And you see that red circle right there in southern Morgan and parts of Winston and Coleman counties. That's an area where we could see around 3 inches of rain just in the next 7 days on top of all that rain that we've already seen. So we'll keep a very close eye, not only on the flash flooding potential, but also those area creeks and rivers as well. Today, just a 30% chance, not a total washout. 88 your forecast high, back to near 90 tomorrow. And then those widespread showers and storms are back in the forecast yet again this weekend.